Hi guys, this is Ben with Shirk Photography. Let's take a quick look in my Victory Grounds horizontal template. Now this one is set up for options for on a field. So for example, football field, or I could shut that off and I could turn on a soccer field. And do something like this. You can insert your own team logo, or you can make it look like it's actually on the field by simply shutting off a couple of these layers. And do something like that. You can easily change any colors within this template. So for example, this bottom color here, if your team was, for example, a bright green or a blue, you can easily adjust colors as you need. You can even adjust the field coloring within the background. So for example, I can make this black and white, or I can customize the end zones and add color to those. You can easily change this motto. It does not have to be stronger together. It can be whatever your coach or team wants. Or you can completely shut that off and include, for example, players' names, schedule, or sponsors on the bottom. There's a full tutorial included with the instant download that'll teach you how to modify this. All our fonts are auto-loading Adobe fonts, so no need to go to a different site to download anything. And all our templates include built-in cropping guides that allow you to design once and print multiple standard sizes. From 3.5 by 5s all the way up to 10-foot banners if you want. Hope you enjoy this template.